Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my summer empties for 2020. First off, let's talk about my hair. I cut it. I used to have it down to almost my butt. We cut it, we put in a lot of layers, we thinned it out, and we cut these little front pieces, my bangs just below my chin. Fresh blowout happening because I got this done last night, but when you're seeing it, it was 2 days ago. We did my normal highlights, and I do a root smudge, so it's a little darker right here. Just helps blend everything, and that when my highlights start to grow out, you don't have just like a line, like that gross line. So yeah, I am super happy with my hair. So let's go on to the empties. We are gonna start with candles first, like always. Let's do summer ones first because I have two falls in here. First one is by Bath & Body Works. This is Beach Cabana. I don't think they make this anymore. This is an oldie but a goodie for me. I used to get the scent bulbs in this too. I've gone through so many of these candles. This is, it says the air under Beach Cabana is filled with fragrant sweet jasmine, orange blossom, and a hint of fluffy white towels, if that makes sense to you. And then we have the London Tea and Lemon candle. And this literally smells like sweet tea with lemon squeezed in it. And it says, it's tea time. Enjoy a majestic celebration with a royal blend of tea, lemon, and sugar. And that's exactly what it smells like. Two candles from Target. So sad about this one. They stopped making this. Oh God, it smells so good. This is Sweet Sangria by Bella. It's like an offshoot of the Illume candle company. It's a soy candle. Love that so much. I used to get the reed diffuser as well and use that in my bathroom. And then this is a candle by Chesapeake Bay Candle Company, which I live near the Chesapeake Bay, so holla. This is White Citron. It's really fresh and nice, but really I love the packaging the most. I think I'm gonna empty this out and put some tea candles in there because it looks really cool when there's a flame in it. I love Mercury glass, and this like cracked one is so cool. It's really nice for the coffee table. Sip of my Diet Coke. I have a Panera Caesar salad waiting for me when this is done. I'm so excited. Okay, two fall candles. This one I don't think they make as well. I don't think Nature's Wick is a thing anymore. Very hard to find, but this is smoked vanilla. If you can get your hands on this, this is an exact dupe for Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside. But I love this because it's a woodwick candle, so it crackles. So good. And then this one, Cider Lane, which still is being made. Also this is the only candle I've showed you that I think is still in production. This might be, I think it might just come around during the summer and springtime. But this London Tea and Lemon, Beach Cabana, like all of these, I think are gone, which is wild. But Cider Lane is back for this fall season. This is Bath & Body Works. It's warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, ground clove with essential oils. It is so good. I need to get myself a backup ASAP. I'm waiting for a sale. You can't buy these candles full price. You can't buy this for $24.50. You gotta wait for the $12 sales always. Speaking of Sweet Sangria, I have one of their room sprays. I finally freaking finished a room spray. These are always in my project pan, and it has taken me 2 years to finish one, finally. This is the Sweet Sangria by Bella by Illume. It says it's bergamot, fresh berry, and lemon zest. I have one or two more of these, and then that scent will be gone from my life forever. Hold on, be right back. I gotta go let my dog in. All right, back to business. So where should I go next? Okay, we have two of these guys right here. Loving Tan Ultra Dark Self Bronzing Mousse, and Millie just walked in here with a toy, so sorry about that. Love this, wear it all the time, wearing it right now. have backups, always. This stuff is really good. When people ask me for a self tanner, go to this, especially now because you can buy it in store at Ulta, which is fabulous. Let's do skincare and then makeup. So actually hair care right here. This is the Beauty Protector Protectant Oil, Argan Oil. This is for your hair. I like to put it on the ends of my hair when I have just washed it. Although I think I'm going off of it. I have a full bottle that I just started to use, but I think it makes my hair a little bit weighted down, but also that could have been the length. My hair was so long, which is why I chopped it. So I'm gonna give it a try with my new ends and my new length and see what happens. I was starting to kind of feel it also, but it could be my leave-in conditioner, so I'm not sure. Anyways, I love the smell of it. It was a great oil for a long time. I may not repurchase it again. Okay, British Rose from the Body Shop. This is a shower gel, really, really good. Love that scent, it's very sophisticated and nice. Another shower gel is Clean Girls by Soap and Glory. I am using another small one right now, and then I have a big guy. I used up 2 of these Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. I really like this. Smells really good. It does cleanse my skin very well. This is the one you're going to want to use if you have oily skin. Really great for that. It has like these little chunks of something. I think it's like fruit, and it gently exfoliates your skin. It feels really nice. Okay, a mask, sheet mask. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. They no longer make this in the sheet mask. Of course, they still have the potted watermelon mask, but this was so good, and they had to get rid of it because the ones that were still left on the shelves, or if you took it home and you didn't use it for a month, the jelly started to kind of crumble a little bit, so you had to use this pretty fast. So I think they got rid of it because they found flaws in it, which is sad. Next up, I have the British Rose by The Body Shop Instant Glow Body Butter. This was a favorite of mine because it does have a tiny sheen in it. Just makes your skin look really alive and pretty. It was really, really nice and moisturizing, of course. We have the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots. I bought a big pack of those. I really enjoy those. Then I have the, what is this? Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. This was really nice as well. I do think I have some cheaper alternatives to that I like a little bit better, but it was really nice to use while I had it. 2 more masks. This one is by Ahava, and it's called Time to Clear. It's the Purifying Mud Mask. I really liked this. I have a mud mask that I need to go through first, and then I will be purchasing that one in a big size. Then I have the Acure, that's a brand. I've never seen this before. I think this was given to me by a friend. It's the Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels with Cucumber and Silk Tree Age Performance. I like these. These were nice, but I don't know where to get them, and I have other like hydrogel under eye patches that I can buy that are more readily available, and I'm not sure if that's cruelty free or not, so just a disclaimer. Some lip balms and hand cream and an oil. So the oil is the Luna oil by Sunday Riley. I really like this. I have a big guy of it. Next up, we have 2 lip balms. The first one is the Glossier Rose Balm.com. This is a great alternative to the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I like the Bite Beauty one more, but sometimes it goes out of stock. So if you really need something, this is a good alternative, and they have a lot of different flavors. Then we have the Agave Plus Lip Balm by Bite Beauty. Okay, so people said they don't like this. They changed the formula a little bit. It used to just be the Agave Lip Balm, and now it's the Agave Plus. Not sure what changed about it. I still enjoyed it. I do like the tube version, like the lip mask, better. but I still enjoyed this. And then I have this guy right here. This is the Julietta hand cream by Tatcha. This is not a good hand cream. It leaves your hands feeling dry basically, but I love the scent, so I started using this all over my body just as a perfume because it's very, very scented. Speaking of perfume, I have some right here. This is exciting because these were all part of my project pan. The first one is the Pure Vanilla scent. I'm pretty sure this is by La Vanilla. Finished this whole guy up in 1 month. Very exciting. I don't think I would buy it. That was sent to me in, I think, like a Birchbox or something like that. And then we have the Vince Camuto Amore perfume. Nice while I had it, not gonna repurchase. And then the Stella McCartney Pop perfume. I don't think they make this anymore. I think Stella McCartney stopped making perfumes, which is really awful because she makes one of my favorite ones. Just her original Stella perfume in like the black and purple bottle. Some randomness in here, and then we have makeup. I have 2 of the Evian facial sprays. I love this to wet my brushes and kind of refresh my face after a long day. And then I have the ONYX Professional, maybe it's Onyx, nail polish remover, 100% acetone, which is great to get these babies off. This is SNS. This is a woman-owned brand. It says it right here. So that's pretty cool in case you did not know that. I did not know that. Okay, lots of lashes. We have all Ardell here. We have the Naked Lashes 424s, 420s, more 424s, and then a whole thing of wispies. Love these all. These are classics. But if you are going to dabble in lashes for the first time, these guys right here are fantastic. More natural but super fluffy. Like natural as in like they look more like your natural lashes. They don't look very plasticky. They're fluffy. They're still cheap. They're really, really, really great. I hope they never get rid of those lashes. Complexion stuff. So I finished up the Buildable Blur CC Cream by Thrive Cosmetics. This is light medium. I did repurchase it. It is a great product. Then I have the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Liquid Gossamer. Definitely got this in an Ipsy or a Birchbox. I used to love to put this on underneath my foundation. So good. So good. But I don't think I'll buy this. I don't think you can buy this. I don't recall if it's still being made. Everything in here is not made anymore, basically. That's what I should title this video. Empties of everything that's not made anymore. But I guess that's good that they're empties and I'm not holding on to these things so I can have new products that you guys can get in my collection. Anyways, putting something like this on before foundation is really great to get a really nice natural glow going. Then we have this Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in light. Love this stuff. It's so good. But I do have a cheaper alternative. I use the eye primer in Core from Makeup Revolution. Same tone, and it is really fantastic. We have 2 of the micro brow pencils. I'm kind of going off of these a little bit. It's not what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a ColourPop brow pencil. I feel like I need a darker, bolder brow with a middle part, and these were giving me like soft, fluffy vibes. So I don't know, guys. I don't know, but these have been in like every Empties video for like the past year and a half, 2 years. Last products here, the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Not worth the hype. It wasn't like wow amazing. I used it to blend my falsies with my real lashes and it did the trick. Then finally saying goodbye to this guy. This is a Ciate liquid liner where it's a star stamp on one side and then the liner on the other. This lasted me so long. I'm gonna miss it. And then we have a Old Duo lash glue, which is my favorite lash glue to use. And we are all done. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later guys. Bye.